Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. I would like to give you 2 tips to say bye to your sleepy eyes. First, moisturizing. I'm gonna using the eye mask because it will really help for the puffiness, dark circles, fine lines, and dehydration. If you guys wanna know more, I would like to do another videos about it.
12 seconds later. A few moments later.
If you do the skincare before the makeup, the result will be so much better. Massage a little bit, let the lotion go into your skin. The second step is cover. Actually, if you are the makeup beginner or lazy person like me, I suggest you should use the stick concealer. Just like putting onto your face 1 time, 2 times, then finish. Actually, you could do the same thing even you never do the makeup before. Hey guys, you can see it, right? It is really easy to control, trust me. And use your finger, do like that, make sure no creasing. And blend it on the top as well. Finally, go everything one more time. Let's say goodbye to your sleepy eyes. Thank you for watching my first beauty videos, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, hit on the bell, and thumbs up for these videos. Hope you guys like it, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.
2,000 years later.